Hi ladies, Shelli, Annie Parker Confidential. Welcome to my kitchen in Solana Beach, California. All right, I just finished doing our holiday photo shoot. So I may or may not be a little more made up than I normally would be in the kitchen, but I didn't think that you would mind. All right, so if you love Chinese takeout, and I mean, who doesn't? You are going to love this way healthier chicken teriyaki stir fry. Now, like with everything that I do, this is no added sugar and it is gluten-free. You're gonna wonder how I did a teriyaki marinade without sugar. I will put that recipe link down below in the video for you. It's 6 easy ingredients where you make your own teriyaki marinade, and it is no sugar added, okay? Now today, as I always do, I always take my smart shortcuts to make things way easier. All right, so smart shortcuts are shortcuts that I take that do not compromise on the nutritional value of the meal. So here's the shortcuts that I took today. I always buy diced onions that have been pre-diced. I buy the organic broccoli florets, and then I just defrosted them so I don't have to steam and make the broccoli. I always get tubed garlic, which is just garlic paste in the tube. I know you're gonna think I'm lazy, but oh well. I even bought the baby carrots that have already been pre-shaved. All I'm going to do is this. We're going to beat 3 eggs, okay? And you can use egg whites if you like. I mean, I like the little extra umption that whole eggs add to the flavor. And this is making several servings. This will probably make 8 servings. And so 3 eggs over 8 servings isn't bad. I'm a messy cook. So we're just going to whisk our 3 eggs in a bowl. All right, give it a whisk. And so I think the thing that I love about this meal is it makes several servings, and so I just stick it in the fridge, and Oliver and I just grab, heat and eat over the next few days. And it's just, you know, setting yourself up to succeed is making things that are easy, healthy in advance, and being able to heat and eat on the go. I mean, honestly, that's what allows me to eat really healthy, because I'm impatient, and I will be honest, if I didn't make a lot of things in advance, I would probably make not smart choices. Okay, you're gonna do the eggs, and then all I'm going to do is I'm going to chop half a cup of carrots. So this is a stir fry. You can put anything in it that you like. You can also do bell pepper. You can do the water chestnuts, which are also very good. And I think I will add those in the end. You can do those little baby carrots, and those or the little baby corn on the cobs. Those are really good too. So I just cut these into maybe 1-inch dices. And ladies, here's the thing with a lot of dishes is, you know, we all have our favorite takeout meals, and we all have like our little favorite things that we love. You can always find or make a healthier option. It's just a matter of trying different recipes and trying different things that you like. And I'm telling you, eating healthy does not have to be a sacrifice. And if it was a huge sacrifice, I mean, I probably wouldn't do it either, because I mean, I love to live life, and I love to eat, and I love to have fun and go out to dinner with my family and my husband. And we like to have healthier options, and so these are awesome, especially nowadays where you can find a lot of sugar-free and gluten-free things on the market. And so again, you can use regular teriyaki sauce if you like. Let me show you what I did with the chicken. All right, here's what I did with the chicken. It has been marinating in the sauce for an hour. Okay. So this is about 1.5 pounds of diced chicken breast, and I just took the chicken breast, I diced it, and then I stuck it in the teriyaki marinade. Now, of course, you can use the regular marinade, but here's the deal, you guys. Regular teriyaki marinade sauce has a lot of sugar in it. There's like 2 grams of sugar in like 1 little tiny tablespoon of teriyaki sauce. So by the time you finish adding as much teriyaki sauce as what you would need to a dish, you've probably got about a cup of it, which is, it's just too much added sugar. And honestly, it's so easy to make your own that why wouldn't you? And then all we do is we're going to fry it up, and that's it. So let me show you how I did that. is the final dish. How good does that look? Healthy, no sugar added, gluten-free chicken teriyaki stir fry. There is no need to get takeout after you make this. Way healthy. The recipe link for all of this and for the no sugar teriyaki marinade is down below the video description. All right, for everything health, wellness, fitness, style, beauty, and healthy living, visit me on the blog, AnnieParkerConfidential.com, and I'll see you on the blog.